In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a station in Apple Music. First, launch Apple Music on your device. Look for the red and white music note icon on your home screen or in your app list, then open it. When the app loads, you should see the main Apple Music interface, with options like Listen Now, Browse, and Search along the bottom. If the app opens straight into a previous screen, that is fine, as long as you can see your music or the navigation bar at the bottom. Apple Music usually remembers where you left off, so do not worry if it does not look completely empty. Once Apple Music is open, start playing a track. You can tap any song from your library, from a playlist, or from a suggested section like Listen Now. When you tap the song, it should begin playing immediately, and you will see a small player appear at the bottom of the screen with the track title and artwork. Go ahead and tap that mini player so it expands to the full Now Playing screen. On this screen, you will see the album art in the center, the song title and artist just above or below it, and the play controls underneath. If you do not hear anything, double-check that your volume is turned up and your device is not muted. Now that the track is playing, click the three-dot icon beside the name of the song. On most devices, this appears as three small dots in a row, either next to the track title or near the top right corner of the Now Playing screen. Tap it once. A menu should slide up from the bottom of the screen or appear as a pop-up list. You will see several options related to this track, usually including things like Add to Playlist, Add to Library, and Share Song. On some screens, tiny labels show where the options are grouped, but you only need the one for creating a station. A common beginner mistake is tapping and holding on the track name instead of the three dots, which can trigger different options, so make sure you are tapping the dots themselves. With that menu open, select Create Station from the pop-up menu. Scroll the list if you do not see it right away, then tap Create Station once. As soon as you select it, Apple Music creates a custom radio-style station based on that song and artist. The Now Playing screen will refresh, but it might still show similar artwork at first, then new songs will begin to queue that match the style and genre. You will notice the label at the top change to show that you are listening to a station, often named after the song or artist you started from. Behind the scenes, Apple Music uses this choice to pick tracks with similar sound, tempo, or mood, so the more you use this feature, the more it learns your taste. You have just created a personalized Apple Music station from a single track, so you can keep discovering similar songs automatically. If this helped you build better stations, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more Apple Music tips.